na ukethia utindia ta museese witu wa Mutongoi TV ni na ukethia na uthocha twende na unene witu ndini wa kilungu kitoki mwanya cha uiti nyenito wa Faith Mackenzie wa Mutunga ni nake daktari witu Dr. Geoffrey Mutuma na balangwenda omuthenyani wa umuthi twende na unena nisya yulu wa cancer nundu tuinemi na ilengi na be maundu mana halato ni mema bata wota museese witu wailite kumanya. Karibu sana daktari.
No siamo no. Kwa masitwa ingi nitawa Dr. Geoffrey Mutuma numire Zambezi Hospital na ni consultant pathologist na ni research in cancer. Ko umundi tenena yulu wa cancer wende tunanene monolongi amundi tenena yulu wa cancer mono cancer siasiana nundu nisi ase ingi na nitisi future yitu kana oni witu wesiana nesitu na cancer siasiana yepo kwa wingi muno na chana nini kwa rawane cancer kwa nota nini monolongi ni kana cancer sieta wane meile na mekalile na madhuru loko lakini kwa cancer siana muno yuka nundu wa genetic kana wa cells itu indisilia cancer ila ipo kwa siana utaize monolongi ni kana ila ipo kwa wingi muno ni cancer ndakame ita wa leukemia kana cancer of the white blood cells cancer lengi ipo kwa wingi kwa siana ni cancer ya ngai kana lymph nodes kana lymphoma na ilenge ipo kwa nyingi kwa sana ni retinoblastoma kana cancer ya medho kana cancer ya retina na ilenge ipo kwa sana ni cancer mavindi na cancer ya muscles since ni cancer zipo nyingi kwa sana na of course sana kwa ni cancer ya uongo kana cancer of the brain na cancer ya mbio ko ila sipo kwa wingi number 1 2 3 and 4 ni cancer ya ndakame cancer ya ngai cancer ya medho na cancer ya mavindi
na yutu wa daktari yulu wa cancer ya ndakame ila yo leukemia yo ikwata asiana hata ni kana ni ukwata cancer ya ndakame kuma kwa musei
cancer ya ndakame na muno cancer sio ndasi asiana yuma kuma ndakame ya kana mwini wa kana cancer muno ikodanga opatanwa cancer ikwatanagwa ona banini cancer kitakwithwa thini wa uko wando kana familial inheritance of cancer ithwa thipo lakini cancer ya ndakame kana leukemia there is no any inheritance of cancer ndakame na hicho kitumi cancer ya ndakame ya kana ya from the gene epetha pela meta gene mutation kana gene kupinduka za benena za gene nyo ipindua cancer ya ndakame tumeta leukemia na leukemia ni white, leuko is white na muno cancer ndakame in white blood cells na nitisi kana white blood cells nizio askale mamwe kana body defense mechanism na ndakame yuma from marrow kana from the bone marrow kana kuma musungulani pale pinde katikati yuma abubu ko mundu ana cancer leukemia kinu chambe kana kinu chawona cha mundu ana cancer leukemia mundu edwa atena ndakame nundu ndakame yuma from the bone marrow na mina kuma from the bone marrow which akwithia bone marrow yumia white blood cells na yikumia white blood cells nundu cancer white blood cells no leukemia na ndakame pe red blood cells pe white blood cells na pe platelets na cancer ya leukemia ni cancer white blood cells kuweza kwithia you production ya bone marrow yumia white blood cells only na yeko sobia red blood cells na yeko sobia platelets na yako sobia setia mundu ambe akuwa mana nundu platelets ni tuma mundu ataua kana wambe watemo kwithia ni pupu ne papinga na kuwa kuku na kila kingi ni white red blood cells ni sio kuweza kwithia ni itwa oxygen kana nenga mwibina kuweza kwithia pe production ya white blood cells na pe production ya red blood cells na platelets na white blood cells ilo produce sina we nundu white blood cells ntamina kwa ni asikale mamwe na no lazima ma train we bone marrow na mayuma ready mature lakini wena cancer muma made mature ukazita red blood cells siko kita na diseases kuza kwithia mundu ena white blood cells leukemia kana cancer ya white blood cells weza kwithia ndena ndakame egwa muno na acquired infections muno so that's the problem is na cancer ndakame ya leukemia asiana dumana weza mana kana either kaiwa muno kana kaina ndakame kana ke quarantine infection ninge mono kasida kile binda nikyo wa kile binda nike kwetu wa kile binda na kese da yanda yanesa na you cancer ya leukemia tumana this stage 4 there's not stage 1 stage 2 stage 3 you can stage 4
you ka imwe
ilikire stage 4 yes
ayi ni ukulia hii ila wasa mundu ni withwa kwasikana nikaugua ila kena leukemia swi cancer ya thakame kaua na mamutha meba mamwe ni manyui ni matui
muno kana kaua na manyu kana muno ciana ningi maneka cina cancer cia kuwalelo ya kukas ya in kaja ka kaua throat
kata mami kalaji wite
no kana ka kuwalelo kaua on atika nini na kwa kuitala lakini kena leukemia in fact ciana ningi almost 50% manasa dio kwa mile nundu wacha kwita kina tina maana kakua weza kai kwa hiyo tuma in thakame ingine chambia kuwa na manyu ingi ukesera chambia kuwa joints kweza nikatinwa rusikana ni chani ta kwa muno katinwa joint kaimba na yoda yanenda yimbeta kweza the clotting system kana kuungamia kwa thakame iko that's how it is
kwi andu o mithenya ya kawaida mekalama yua manyu matonyo pathukania ata kana kuona kuua manyu kana kuku na cancer
in fact kuua manyu is a very serious disease ndokire mundu akuwa manyu enda uthimwa mathina cha nondo kuua manyu kweta wani muno cancer leukemia lymphoma na most of the cancers na muno kweta wani high blood pressure takama ya madeta muno nondo usaidhi ya make by manyu kai kapalika na hicho kitimi mundu wa manyu nondo wa high blood pressure the vessels in kana mekiba manyo na hizo kitimi ndife maana muno weze ya magua manyo ne udhi makendino maneka udhina wiba no bleeding kwa kichana is actually a serious disease we normally follow it quite keenly
pema binda withi ai mundu ekana ni wagua manyo na yana uni wathelile yivu pailiata
weza kwethia epinda yuyu pepinda sana suka okazia platelets sio cia ya muno njo kitibika mundu wa emonini lakini mtu wangu zethia wa manyo nundu pe another complications tin nasal leukemia kana platelets no kwa manyo nundu zethia either make by the kuwe na surface ya manyo na watu nini kana ya kata bani it bursts na njo kitimi it's very important kuwa manyo is a serious sign
kumwithikise musaisa uitwa ile koza kuwa manyo akadhi hospitali
akadhima nikarasa manika where the problem is
aya ikulio yengi uluwa leukemia cancer ya ciana ikwata muno ciana ni withia kana kuno kwitha kaina bikiela myaka yuta itu tu nayo ya kwasia hii na yele uomo na is to sit refined food is ya matukwa ukana kuwithia kayikalite myaka mingi na tuyaseka na kanza niete wesa ingi nundu wa miile jitu mithuko
exactly
kana kanseni tonya kwetwe ni maliua na kayikalite myaka no mingi
right cancer sionte cia ciana irawe maliu sionte cia ciana all cancer for children childhood tumors they don't come because of diet because of environment and because of another factor you cannot do a gene ilawa cia wanacho lilikana pesiana isiawa sina cancer aisiawa kana cancer inge in develop ya cancer siebu ikakwa nundu cancer siebu ikachawa singo so cancer can come anytime na in fact cancer za ciana zina bina muno kana zi very aggressive nundu mwe ciana nukwa na mruko muno so kutu michana ningira cha mino wa cancer it become very aggressive very fast na ciana zero na in fact most of them they need to tiame to muno niki nundu the cancer is very aggressive nundu mamudha makana na cells ya ciana they are young and they are growing very fast na hiyo kutu leukemia kwa kana 1 month is long 1 month is too long. Why within 1 month kana chana ningi chidharutiete chamote kwa kia. Na hicho kitu mi cancer leukemia with children is very progressive. Now the same with the other cancers even lymphoma the Burkitt's lymphoma or whatever lymphoma it is, it's normally very aggressive. On a cancer ya medho kana dermatoblastoma it grows very fast. Na hicho kitu kana kamino wa is very important the parents take very fast action. Kinu maana mnoni kana treatment ya cancer ya ciana itawakinata only nowhere else ko is good kana ka the process mituke ni kana weza kambia kuita mituke nondo wa if you don't take action fast kada kuna karotia
yukulia hii
yeah
suonge ndakwambia hospitali yakwa ya kansa ni betha mwanyosu kana ni lazima ni Kenyatta
nuisini kana hospitality ukuta
ti mwako uketha na meyo hii machine chao
kila chende kani the human brain, trained brain tuiso kwata ndakitali meanetie kuita cancer in the peripheral regions na cancer ya munomo za siana thenda sindu ningi muno na hicho kitumi treatment ya cancer na hicho kitumi my focus cancer treatment should be regionalized, should be national level, not county level. Yeah, and that's need to make it a mistake. Treatment of cancer is national. Tutale kuta na sitali imweja kuita cancer. Tiki nata imweja kuita cancer. Nundu cancer is be a serious disease. Na cancer ti uwe wakila bando. Ti diabetes, ti hypertension, ti typhoid. Cancer is a serious disease. It needs instruments, it needs very expensive instruments, good training, good experience. Now, up to this time, we are not at Kenya as Kenya. We are talking about Kenyatta now. We are talking about Kenya. We are not that experienced in treatment of cancer. No cancer no came to Kenya. Now, still, and Ramwe, alama rotha kwa avoid mind India, maybe Britain, maybe South Africa because they are more experienced. We cannot hide and as a Kenya we are experienced. No. We still need expert from outside kwa kuita cancer. And talk to me, real treatment ya cancer ya siana ni bone transplant. Now we cannot do it in Kenya.
Yes. Yeah. Ni wase kana noga kwa toi cancer.
Yeah.
Kakuia kaketiwa.
Yes.
Ibuni yanyinya.
Yeah.
No yithiwe kana kani ko keina cancer na nyande nako ndena cancer.
Exactly. Cancer ina kana titinya
na inyano wakwatu
cancer ikwatanawa. Cancer is not transmitted.
Kwa uba yondu musiainda kwata mwana wake utonyonenga mwana wake cancer.
Cancer ikwatanawa. Cancer is individual and is individual, it is individual, it is individual. It is your body ni mwe wako without kwa na neza mwe wako mbene nothing else. Peke dukinge.
Ekangu kulia. Daktari. Kana ka kemwi kwa musei wako na twasiika kwa toni cancer. Ni tonya kwiwa kana yaumana na maliwa la nyinya ukuya.
Not much.
Ibinda yila muito.
Not much. No, they are not connected very much. Yeah, they are not connected very much. Na kwa nuna nasakana cancer yuma from your original cell yaku yuma ikatwika cancer. Yes.
Na yuko rangu kulio bawe ibinda yeseli yakwa. Yatwika yauma cancer. Yetha yo imwe na multiply yitwika mbingi.
Now that's how it is. Ni cancer jambe ya one cell ikamutate ikambia kwa na tainanduka use ndakana mboso tumeta mad, in fact in English tumeta mad cells sina mboso cancer cells sina mboso isembete muno kaze da mboso ise muno na mboso da na mboso aendete kudia tena control that's cancer cells. It's the mad cells in the body nondo ndeni wa body peta mubangeleo onde ndeni wa andu kuda mubangeleo turona kwambia kunena pate mubangeleo lakini mundu akora ni mbuso anena abate mubangeleo nae kama mundu pate mubangeleo ko cancer sio simbanke ne sign sele kudisienete lakini ya tuka ya mbuso ya tuka ya cancer ida tena mubangeleo la yambe ya imwe na i multiply very fast. Talk to me, cancer it on multiply within 24 hours it can double embwa ina 10 centimeters kuno yamuka ukeda 20 centimeters in growth unaona kwa sana doubling areas very fast. Talk to me on mundu wa cancer ta nondo without ya nondo yambe oneneba very fast. Yes. Yeah.
Naende musiaisia witu bauni boto bikaingi muthia na itina ndatika muthu ningwithi wanzio kitheche twende kilunguni cha keli yuluo wa kanza na utu asiokithia tuithi watu isisia yuluo kanza ya ume bamwena yaka ini to Faith Mackenzie wa Mutunga ni na ndakitali witu Dr. Mutuma itu siokithete.